Kristina, and today I'm here with Marcella, and she's a fitness trainer, so she's going to show us how to get a nice toned booty in just 30 days with some really easy,
very simple yet effective workouts. There's only going to be about 3 to 5 included.
Yeah, and you can do them at home, in the hotel, whenever you're traveling. So some very simple exercises.
And all you need is a resistance band.
So yeah, let's get started. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Subscribe to her YouTube channel. She just started it. I will link it down below.
I'm a newbie.
Yes. But she knows all about fitness, so I'm going to follow what she says. Whatever she says, she knows. She's an expert. And also, you can follow us on Instagram. I will link them both down below. And I'll put little pop-ups here so you guys can just add us. And yeah, let's get started.
Let's get to work.
So this is the first exercise.
We're going to call it a lateral band walk. We're literally going to walk laterally one side to another. We're going to work on 3 sets of 15 steps each leg. So that's a total of 30 steps.
Okay, let's do it.
So as you do the lateral walk, you want to make sure you're fully extending your resistance band so you feel the full tension. We're aiming for this little shelf right here. Make sure you're always in a squat position. The second exercise we're going to be doing, we're going to be holding the squat position, and then we're going to throw a curtsy lunge into it. However, we're only going to exhaust one side at a time. So remember, we're going to keep the same 3 sets, 15 reps. We're going to do 15 on one side. So we're going to squat down, you're going to curtsy, your leg behind you, back to squat, curtsy. We're going to repeat 15 times. It better burn by the 6th rep. For me. So you're going to feel this in your legs too. Obviously you're in the squat position, but it's definitely going to get the booty. And now that's one side, so you're going to switch to the other side. Okay, back to your squat. You're really stepping behind to activate those glutes.
Next one, third one. So basically guys, this usually in the gym you do it with a bench, but since we wanted to show you some at-home exercises they can do in anything, we're just going to use a chair. Basically anywhere, like if you're traveling, you can find something.
Yeah, so basically you want to make sure your bra strap is on the seat to give you that support. You put your legs in a 90-degree angles. Put your feet flat in front. So see, 90 degrees right here. You want to keep that the whole time, except for the leg, obviously, that's going to be lifted off the ground. You want to push through your heels. Let me correct something here. Oh, just put flat on the ground, and you're going to put all your weight in your heel and press up.
Oh yeah. And by the way, our leg is 180 degrees today. Just saying.
It's really hot. We really love you guys.
The AC in the gym is not working.
AC in the gym doesn't work. AC at our home doesn't work. It's like 107 degrees outside, but we're still here to get it. So you're gonna do 15 reps one leg, same sequence as all the other workouts. And switch legs and do the other 15. Feel the burn.
Are we done yet? No? Okay.
You see the booty gains though?
I'm saying I should do that before and after.
So we're going to do one more exercise with the chair, and this one is going to be a one-legged glute bridge. You get your mat, unless you're on carpet. So you start with both heels on the chair, put your hands on the floor to support, and lift your hips up in the air. Once your hips are lifted, lift the other leg, and simply start pressing. The magic
3
number.
sets of 15 for everything, guys. So just so you know. It's getting hot here. Literally, it's been so hot in LA, everywhere. Streets, gym, home. You can't escape it. So that was the fourth one, and then what's the last one?
So this last exercise we're going to be doing is called the frog pump. It looks very strange, but I promise you it gets you one of the best results I've ever had in my life.
I believe it.
So I like to do a little burnout with these.
Okay.
So you're going to start on the floor, and basically you're going to put your feet together, kind of in a butterfly position, and you're going to lay back. And you kind of have to play with your foot positioning, so you can scoot your feet closer to your butt to kind of activate the glutes, but some people feel it in different areas, so you got to play around with it. So find whatever works best for you.
I've never done this, so.
So this is first timer. So then we're going to keep your arms and look around. Yeah, just look up, and then we're just going to thrust up.
I feel like I look back on my legs.
If you pull your feet in closer to your butt. So we can do 3 sets of 15 for these. I like to just go ahead and do 100 reps total, because I'm crazy.
That was it. So you basically just go through each one of the exercises, you do it 15 times, and then you repeat. So 3 reps, basically all 5 exercises. For those of you who are new, she's talking like a pro. She's like 3 sets of 50. I'm like, okay, you have to really break it down, okay?
So if you guys have trouble like figuring out sets and reps, what I mean by 3 sets of 15 is you're doing 3 sets of 15 repetitions of each exercise. Once you finish all 3 sets, you move on to the next exercise and repeat the same thing.
So all 5 exercises, 15 times each, and then repeat and repeat. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more routines, we can definitely do more. As you can tell by her booty, I mean, it speaks for itself. It's definitely a good routine to follow. I'm going to try to get the gains that she got, because you said you do it how many times a week?
I do it about 3 to 4 times a week. So I would recommend a minimum of 2, but if you really want results, I definitely incorporate it about 3 times a week for the whole 30 days.
Yeah, let's do 30 days. If you guys want to follow this routine, post your before and after pictures and tag us on Instagram. That would be awesome. And if you want to see more videos, we can definitely do that, because this was more of like a toning butt exercise, but we can do like a bigger booty video as well, something for abs, something for anything you guys want, like any kind of videos. Just leave your comments down below.
Love to hear your feedback.
And also, we wanted to let you know that since it was so hot in LA today, I was drinking my Hum Nutrition little green superfood powder, and it came in this cute little blender bottle, and you can put your protein powder and the pills on the bottom as well. So this is good for your metabolism. It has enzymes, probiotics. It's good for your skin. So not only does it make you feel energized when you're working out, but it also makes your skin glowing, radiance. And also, before the workout, we took this little Hum Nutrition
Ripped Rooster. It's a fat burner supporter, which contains 7 keto,
green leaf extract, and also chromium. So basically, it's good for fat loss. So you just want to take it, okay? That's all I'm saying. But Hum Nutrition has a lot of great vitamins for everything, like glowy, healthy skin, nails, healthy gut, working out. So just check them out. I will link them down below. And this tastes like coconuts and pineapples. But it's a little bit warm because it is hot in here, so she's like, no. But it's really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels. I will link them down below. And follow us on Instagram.
Marcella.Reyes.
And then K3 Chocolate, of course. So I will put them right here and then link them down below. And that is it. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We hope you enjoyed the booty gains.
Yes. Bye.